Hi, this video is the demonstration of the FUT or the FUSS or the strip method hair harvesting using the strip method is the hair transplant scar, and I try to get as many examples as I can, and the result vary from one individual to another. Not everyone going to be exactly the same, and I perform both the FUT and FUE method. And if you want to find out the more of the example, you can go on my YouTube playlist, and under the playlist there's a FUE donor scar, and then there's a hair transplant FUT scar, donor scar, and you can look at both, and so you understand, and that can help provide more information for you to better make a more informed and educated decision of what method best for you. And there's no one perfect method. Both have pro and con. So the strip method, the downside, this linear scar is a little bit more painful than the FUE during recovery, but again, they're still mild. The strip method is a little bit more invasive, a little bit longer to heal, but again, than the FUE, but it's only 2 days. But those are the downside of the strip method. And again, you can't wear your hair short because the linear scar is visible. However, the strip method is very effective for women, because women don't want to shave their hair when they do the hair transplant. With the FUE, we have to shave all the donor area, where the strip method, we only shave and cut out what we shave. The long hair should hide everything. The strip method is a lot cheaper than the FUE, and you can move a lot bigger case per day. You can harvest 4,000 to 6,000 grafts per day with the strip method. And it's very effective for advanced hair loss, where the FUE is more for mild to moderate hair loss, because the FUE you're going to harvest 25 to 3,000 per day, although I can go beyond 3,000. So the FUE is going to be multiple surgery more, where the strip method you can reach your goal faster. So the strip method is cheaper, we can harvest larger number of grafts per day, and we can transplant that. And the growth rate, you're going to have good result with FUE and FUT what might work. But if you compare my strip method, FUT or the FUSS compared to the FUE, the strip method have 5 to 10% on average better density, although there are days it can go up to 20%. On the other hand, the FUE is less invasive, less bleeding, less chance infection. Basically you heal faster and a little bit less painful. Those are the great benefit of the FUE, and you can shave your head shorter because the FUE scar is tiny dot. But the downside of the FUE it's more expensive. We had to shave all the donor area down, and the number of grafts we can harvest is less. We can do 2,500 to 3,000 grafts per day, so it's more for mild to moderate hair loss. Because for advanced hair loss, it can be used, but you're going to need multiple surgeries, 2 or 3 sometimes. And then the growth rate, you can have good result with both my work, FUE and FUT, but you compare my FUE to my FUT, the FUE is going to be 5 to 10% less than the strip method. But sometimes there are days up to 20%. So this is the video is the demonstration of the strip method, the FUT or the FUSS linear scar. Again, the result vary from one individual to another, and I perform both FUE and FUT, and the both method have leave scar. There's no surgery without scar. So this is the demonstration of the FUT scar. Thank you.